This is Satya Pradyuman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of the ETF Looking Glass is just out. This is a report that looks at various investment themes and looks at ways to express it through the usage of ETFs. The title in this report, Expressing Industrial Exposure Through ETFs. Now, in the last 18 months or so, we've put out quite a bit of work on the belief that CapEx industrial spending will continue to accelerate. That has pretty much been playing out. This recent data point that's just been released, this is investment in manufacturing structures. This is also confirming that we are seeing really unprecedented industrial spending efforts here. Now, part of this is driven, as we've argued, really as a post-pandemic world, reinvesting that was needed. Part of it is nearshoring, and part of it is also climate or reacting to the climate, and also EVs. So these things, when brought together, basically says that if industrial spending CapEx accelerates, which we think is the case, and there's evidence of it currently, continuing to add exposure to the industrial sector makes a lot of sense. What's curious, however, is that on the surface in the larger cap index, we haven't really seen this effect really play out. It started last year. However, this year has really sort of gone cold, really by the spring of 2023. What's interesting, though, is that the spending data that's been quite strong in the last 18 months or so for industrials is playing out perfectly clear in the smaller cap landscape. Notice how it's really significantly outperformed technology for a couple of years. Now, the question is, what's this disconnect? And what we believe is going on is really the very strong performance of the Nifty 7 has really dominated the market as a whole, but what it's also doing is it's driving the relative performance comps. So the industrial sector, which actually has performed okay in the larger cap area, looks really miserly when you put that over the market, which is really driven by the tech sector. Unlike that, in the smaller cap arena, the fundamentals do seem to be playing out very nicely, because our work shows that technology spending has been slowing while industrial spending accelerates. Take a look at the full report for samples of ETFs that are available and ranked well in our models. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to follow up. Thank you.